Hello. So this is the tutorial about the habit tracker. Before we start, please check the link below to go to my Etsy store and check my other templates that you might find it useful, or get this one for yourself. The light mode and dark mode available link below. So starting off, when you make the purchase, you'll get the pre-filled version and the clean slate version. Right now, I am using the pre-filled to demonstrate easily. So this is the README tab right here. As you can see, this is the user manual page. You can scroll down and follow these yourself, but in this video, I'm going to guide you one by one through the process. This is the dashboard page. I'm using the clean slate to better demonstrate. As you can see, there's not much to it. To get started, let's double click on this date on the title. It'll show a drop down to choose from any dates of any months of the year. So with this habit tracker, you can track right now, starting right now. So you don't need to wait on the early months of the year to track things down or pretend like the last 2 months was a waste. No, you don't. In here, you can track it as soon as you start. Say that we are starting on the 5th of April, 2026. As you can see, this spreads the month up to a year, and it even shows the new year months on the same header tab. So no months are wasted, okay? So next thing we do is to fill the tasks on this part. And on the next column is where you can choose the grouping. For example, there are tasks like going to the gym, eat properly, daily meditation, and we can group that with the heart emoji to say that they are in the same category as health improvement. Why do we group these? So in my mind, when I put these tasks, there will be some tasks that is the same category. So in that group of the same category, I can represent that in the monthly tracker. Later, we will get to it. You'll see. So we can see the groups have the most attention of each month, not only each individual tasks. Next, we type the target days for each tasks on each month. So you see these little numbers, each below the months. Well, they are the maximum days available for the month. So let's say we are starting on the middle of the month. Let's change it up here. As you can see, the beginning of the month's number changes when we change the starting date. And when you enter a value more than its maximum days, it will be marked, so you'll notice. On the bottom of the page, you can see the monthly overview. For now, all we can see are the remaining chart representing as the month goes, and you fill the next tabs and checklists. This dashboard will adjust and you can see the progress. Next on this tab represents the first tracking month of the year. As you can see, the daily task is automatically there. Now you can see that the date on 1 of 4 of April is omitted because we start the date of the tracker on the 5th. On top of the page, you can see the chart by the group of activities, the weekly progress, and the top 3 activity. Now, if we scroll down, there is this weekly section to track down your weekly tasks. This goes the same from month 1 to month 12 by the end of the tab. Now, last but not least, on the anchor tab, you can edit the category emojis just in case you want to edit it or you want only to show a few, just delete them, that's okay, as well as to edit the quote for each progress. Now, I'm using the filled version to showcase how things look when most of the things are filled and done, and we can see on the dashboard it shows all the progress accordingly. That was pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, please check my other product on my Etsy page. These templates I made myself and I also use it, so I'm glad to share it with you. Thank you so much. See you on my other tutorial video.